I absolutely love this pulled chicken dish with black beans. It's such a sharing recipe and great for family and friends. So to get started, you'll need some chicken thighs, some lime, some onion, some dried thyme or dried oregano is fine. You can have some dried cumin seeds as well. I've got some chipotles in adobo, or you can just have the dried chilies that you can use for this. I've got some tomatoes and some black beans. Firstly, just chop up some limes, chop up your onions and your garlic as well. In a pan with a bit of olive oil, chuck in all your garlic and your onion and saute gently for a couple of minutes, then add in your chicken thighs. Sprinkle in all those dried herbs and just give it a really nice mix. Add in that smoky chipotle in adobo sauce, all those dried chipotle chilies into the chicken, and make sure they're all nicely mixed up well together. Then chuck in that whole tin of tomato sauce and then add some stock, so you can add some chicken stock or just water, so this all cooks together. When that chicken is nice and tender and cooked in that chipotle smoky sauce, you want to kind of shred it with a fork and a knife, so you can get rid of any bones that you had if it was a chicken with bone-in thighs, or if it's just the thighs, you could easily just shred it into pieces. And then you want to add in that black beans. And that's my pulled chicken and black beans in chipotle adobo sauce done. All you have to do is pop it into a tortilla, wrap it up with some red onions and eat it, or even if you have some rice, it will go great with that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up and a like and subscribe for more.